have a breaking news coming in. SC has now ordered an SIT to be formed to probe builder Noida Authority nexus. Now SC has given probe orders as well against officials, and meanwhile SC has also asked UP government to make Noida Authority into a metropolitan council. This is the breaking news we're covering for you at this hour. The Supreme Court has now ordered strict action against Noida Authority officials, and this is over corruption and their nexus with the builders. In fact, the Apex Court has formed an SIT in the case to probe the matter and also directed action against the officials involved in this nexus. The court has also asked the Uttar Pradesh government to consider converting Noida into a metropolitan council. The SIT has found that due to corruption by Noida officials and their close ties with builders, farmers have been given excessive compensation. So this is now the Supreme Court order coming in. In this order, the Apex Court has now formed an SIT to probe the matter. It has directed the action against the officials involved in this nexus, the nexus with the builders and the authority. The court has also asked Uttar Pradesh government to consider converting Noida into a metropolitan council. And this is after SIT found corruption by Noida officials and their close ties with builders. In fact, it has been found that farmers were given excessive compensation due to this nexus between builders and their close ties with Noida officials. That's the big breaking we are covering for you at this hour. Supreme Court of the country has now formed an SIT to probe the builder Noida Authority nexus. It's a major crackdown on this nexus between Noida Authority and the builders. Now, in this case, the SC has ordered probe against officials involved in this nexus, and it has also asked the UP government to convert Noida into a metropolitan council. In fact, this comes after SIT found corruption by Noida officials and their close ties with builders. It has been found that farmers were given excessive compensation for lands due to this nexus present between the officials and the builders. This is the latest we're getting in a major crackdown on this nexus that exists between Noida Authority officials and the builders. The Supreme Court has now formed an SIT to probe this nexus. It has also ordered investigation against officials involved in the nexus. And meanwhile, it's also asked the Uttar Pradesh government to convert Noida into a metropolitan council. Remember, this comes after corruption was found by Noida officials and their close ties with the builders. In fact, it was found that farmers were given excessive compensation due to this nexus that exists between the officials and the builders. The top court of the country has also ordered investigation into the officials who were involved into this nexus and who ordered excessive compensation for the farmers. It's a major crackdown that's now coming in from the top court of the country, who has now ordered strict action against Noida Authority officials over their corruption and the nexus that exists with the builders at this point. A major ruling coming in by the top court of the country, hitting the nexus that exists between Noida officials and the builders in the city. Now, in the case, the Supreme Court has also asked UP government to consider making Noida into a metropolitan council. It has ordered probe against officials who are involved in this nexus. Now, Supreme Court has formed an SIT to probe this nexus that exists between builder and the Noida Authority officials. It's a major crackdown on that nexus. It comes after corruption was found. And I have with me Nivriti Mohan live with me from the newsroom. Nivriti, please walk us through this latest verdict that has now come up, hitting the nexus between the Noida Authority officials and the builders.
So yes, we, if you remember, we a few days ago were working on a nexus, a story on nexus between banks and builders. And Supreme Court had then also came very harshly and very strictly on upon the bank and builder nexus. And this is, in a way, another strict action that has been taken by the Supreme Court of India against another nexus, which is between the Noida Authority and the builders that has been found between them. And because of this unholy nexus that the Supreme Court has said that there has been an undue favor being given to the farmers, also compensation which was far more than what was required has been given to the farmers because of this nexus between the Noida Authority and also the the nexus between Noida Authority and the builders. So another SIT has been formed to look into the issue. And if you remember, the special investigation team was formed earlier also, which had found that the corruption of Noida officials was there with the builders that has led to excessive compensation being given to the farmers also. So the Supreme Court has ordered special investigation and ordered inquiry against the officials and asked the Uttar Pradesh government to take decision to convert the Noida Authority into a metropolitan council. So all of these things have happened today in the Supreme Court of India, and another nexus that is between the builders and the Noida Authority has been taken up very strictly and harshly in the court. And now the special investigation team that has been formed will be working in this direction and will be working on to find out what malpractices are going on between the builders and the Noida Authority officials also.
Right, Nivritti, I take your point that the current order is a follow-up to the previous orders that were given by the top court in the same matter. Now, help us viewers understand that what triggered the Supreme Court's intervention in this case. What was the scale of corruption found in the earlier probes?
So as I said earlier also, it was found out when the SIT was formed by the Supreme Court India, and it was said that it was asked to probe into the collusion between the builders and the Noida Authority officials also, and it was found that there was corruption that was going on and undue favors were given by the to the builders by the Noida Authority officials, and probably because the favors were being granted to the Noida, to the builders by Noida Authority officials. So the favors were also taken from the builders by the Noida Authority officials. Keeping all this in mind, this SIT team was set up, and it had also come up with its reports also. And now, because some malpractices were found in this, and then now another SIT has been ordered to find out the collusion between the builders and the Noida Authority officials.
All right. Also, there's another point that the Supreme Court has mentioned in its ruling that about converting Noida into a metropolitan council. Decode this for our viewers. What does it mean?
So Noida, if it is converted to a metropolitan council, so maybe converting Noida Authority into a metropolitan council will bring some rules into effect, which may see to it that no corrupt practices. Some certain rules will be there when corrupt practices. It won't be easy for the Noida Authority officials, when it is converted into a metropolitan council, to give favors to the builders the way they are giving it right now.
All right, I understand. So the step will essentially streamline the process and will make it difficult for the loopholes to, continue being basically used by these builders. Now, I want to understand, and I'm sure this question will also be on the minds for viewers, what impact will this ruling have on the ongoing projects and also on the future projects in Noida?
Of course, because you know that the builders and there has not been a very cordial and good relationship between builders and the buyers. Buyers have been targeted by the builders in a way, and they have been, as we speak to the buyers, as you go to them and speak to them, you come to know that they have always been cheated by the buyers. And there are lots of hundreds and thousands of cases which are there in the Supreme Court of India. And these cases, not only the possession by the builders are being delayed to the buyers, but also the cases are also being delayed in the Supreme Court. So cases are going on for a decade or more, and which has led to anxiety between the buyers. So the cases that are going on in Supreme Court, whether it is the case of Bank Builder Nexus or it is the case of Builder and Noida Authority officials Nexus, all these things will come up, and because it is being taken up strictly in the Supreme Court of India, and there will be certainly there will be this will be a deterrent.
I get your
to
points.
the buyers.
Thank you so much for joining us on this story and sharing your inputs.